Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to describe the means of transport, classify the roads of India, describe the roles of railways and pipelines in transport, list the national waterways and major seaports, describe the role of airways in transport, describe the means of communication and define international trade. Transport. Roadways. Traders are the persons who provide the goods or products to consumers through transportation. Transport, communication, and trade are linked to each other. Here is a flow chart depicts the means of transport. Let us know each of them in details. Roadways. India has a vast network of roadways, which has many advantages. In comparison to railways, the construction and maintenance cost of roads is lesser. Roads can also provide door-to-door service. The flow chart depicts the classification of roads in India. 1. Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways. Under this, 4 cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, are linked by 6-lane superhighways. The North-South Corridor, Srinagar to Kanyakumari, and East-West Corridor, Silchar to Porbandar, are the parts of this project. These highways are constructed by NHAI. 2. National highways. They link major cities of the country and maintained by CPWD. 3. State highways. Roads of a state capital are linked to district headquarters by these highways, which are maintained by PWD. 4. District roads. These roads connect one district to another district and are maintained by Zilla Parishad. 5. Other roads, also known as rural roads. These roads connect villages with towns. 6. Border roads. These roads are made on northern and northeast border areas to easy accessibility and are constructed by BRO. Roads can be also classified as metalled and unmetalled roads. Road density. It is the length of roads per 100 square kilometer of area. It is even not equal throughout the country. Government is trying to increase the road density by constructing transport, railways and pipelines. Indian Railways is one of the busiest networks of world. Daily, many million people travel daily by trains on different routes. Railways are not only used in transportation by people, but also used in transportation of freight and goods over long distances. People prefer to travel through railways rather than roadways because of saving time and money. India has 1,000 kilometers network of railways throughout the country, on which thousands of trains run daily. The railway network is distributed on administrative, physiographic, and economic factors. In some areas like hills, sandy plains, mountain areas, and forest regions, etc., it is very difficult to lay railway lines. Pipelines. Earlier, pipelines were used to transport water to homes, but now they are well used in transportation of petroleum products, natural gas, and crude oil, etc. In India, there are three important networks of pipelines transportation. 1. Oil pipeline from Upper Assam to Kanpur or Uttar Pradesh. 2. Pipeline from Salaya, Gujarat to Jalandhar, Punjab. 3. Gas pipeline from Hazira, Gujarat to Jagdishpur, Uttar Pradesh. Transport, waterways. Waterways are the cheapest, fuel-efficient and eco-friendly modes of transport and are chiefly used to transport heavy goods. Government had declared 5 waterways as national waterways. 1. Waterways 1. The Ganga River, 1620 km. 2. Waterways 2. The Brahmaputra River, 891 km. 3. Waterways 3. The West Coast Canal in Kerala, 205 km. 4. Waterways 4. River Godavari and Krishna, 1078 km. 5. Waterways 5. River Brahmani with Matai River and Mahanadi, 588 km. Ports play the significant role in India's trade with foreign countries. Seaports. India has 12 major and 187 non-major seaports. The major ports helped in 95% of India's foreign trade. Here is a list of India's famous ports. Transport airways. Today, air travel is the fastest and most comfortable route mode of transport from one location to another. On 1st August 1953, the air transport was nationalized in India. Air India provides the international air services from India. Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited is well known for providing helicopter services to ONGC, remote and hilly areas of the country, etc. In India, apart from Air India, several other private airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet, Go Air, Jet Airways, etc. also provide air travel services to their customers. The given map depicts the major international airports in India. Apart from many benefits, air travel has disadvantages of costlier tickets which are not in reach of common people. It has also some fixed routes, so there is no connectivity to some places. Communication and trades. By the introduction of latest technology, the mode of communication has been changed from ancient times. Indian postal address, the largest network in the world, is used for communication. India also has one of the largest telecom users in the world. More than 2/3 villages of the India have STD facility. Mass communication is an important medium of passing information. It includes TV, radio, magazines, newspapers, etc. Different programs are telecasted daily in different regional languages. Similarly, many local newspapers are printed and published in different regional languages. International trade. Trade is the process of exchanging of goods or things among people, states and countries. International trade is done between two countries through sea, air and land routes. State trade is done between two states. Import and export are the main two components of trade. India earns a lot of foreign exchange by providing information technology support to different countries. Tourism as a trade. Tourism plays a vital role in earning foreign exchange. It promotes national culture and integrity and small industries like hotels, food items, and handicrafts, etc. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Traders are the persons who provide the goods or products to consumers through transportation. Roadways, railways, pipelines, waterways, and airways are the means of transport. Indian roads are broadly classified into 6 categories. 1. Golden quadrilateral superhighways. 2. National highways. 3. State highways. 4. District roads. 5. Rural or other roads. And 6. Border roads. Railways are not only used in transportation by people, but also used in transportation of freight and goods over long distances. Earlier pipelines were used to transport water to homes, but now they are well used in transportation of petroleum products, natural gas and crude oil, etc. Waterways are the cheapest, fuel-efficient and eco-friendly modes of transport, are chiefly used to transport heavy goods. Government had declared 5 waterways as national waterways. India has 12 major and 187 non-major seaports. Air travel is the fastest and most comfortable mode of transport from one location to another. On 1st August 1953, the air transport was nationalized in India. By the introduction of latest technology, the mode of communication has been changed from ancient times. Trade is the process of exchanging of goods or things among people, states, and countries. International trade is done between two countries through sea, air, and land routes. Import and export are the main two components of trade.